Similar to the iPhone 16 series, Apple's iPhone 17 devices will also support cable charging at 35 watts. According to analyst Jeff Pu, the Air model would feature a high-density battery that will provide greater power in a more compact form. With a respectable 4,674 mAh, the 16 Plus ultra-efficient C1 chip should still provide a good amount of battery life. Additionally, the thickness of the Air Pro Max is increasing, maybe reaching 4,800 mAh or higher. Users will now be able to record with both the front and back cameras at the same time, something Samsung introduced with the Galaxy S4. Although the basic model could manage it, this capability is probably for content makers. With a 3.5x optical zoom instead of 5x, the iPhone 17 Pro's telephoto lens will be upgraded to 40 megapixels, making it perfect for portrait photography. Higher quality photos and a digital zoom of maybe 30x or 40x should be the norm. Although the final design will be metal and glass, the phone will have a matching camera bar and may come in vivid hues like bright red, blue, and green. In contrast to the iPhone 17 Air, which has a visor-style camera bar, action button, and MagSafe, the Air has a very thin design with a single camera on the left and a flash on the right. It is anticipated that the iPhone 17 Pro Max would feature a 5,000 mAh battery and a two-tone exterior. Each model in Apple's iPhone 17 series has its own special features and design enhancements. The 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED screen of the iPhone 17 has a resolution of 1179 by 2556, a peak brightness of around 3000 nits, and 120 Hz LTPO technology. The dynamic island may be smaller thanks to its enhanced Face ID sensor. The 24-megapixel selfie camera has been updated, while the 48-megapixel main, 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and lightweight scanning make up the back camera system. The iPhone 17 Plus has a 6.7-inch Super Retina OLED screen with a resolution of 1290 by 2796, a bigger 4700 mAh battery, 8 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB of storage, and rapid charging capabilities. It is anticipated to launch with iOS 19 in retail for $850 in mid-October 2025. In addition to a centered punch-hole camera, the iPhone 17 Pro has a 6.3-inch 120 Hz LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1206 by 2622 and a maximum brightness of 30,000 nits. In addition, it has a lighter scanner and a triple camera arrangement consisting of a 48-megapixel main, 48-megapixel ultrawide, and 48-megapixel periscope lens. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.